Bon, monsieur, je ne vais pas être un gros journal, monsieur. Je ne vais pas être sale, monsieur. Nous avons vu prestige, mais nous avons tout clé.
Commencez, allez. Je suis pas plus. Je ne vais pas y capoter, ok? Non! Oui, quand vous avez la là, on dirait que là, vous pouvez sur plein de points. Sur la fois, afin de programme spécial de la fois, la proposition, faire 5 minutes de travail. Ok, allez.
DJ set. You don't need the DJ set, right?
Yeah. De qui? N'a commencé. It's just you, right? Just you?
Yeah, just.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, tu m'as plug ça, pas de au lit, il a déployé.
And please feel free to sing along with us.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the rampart we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the Menala me Haïti kavin pi belle. Anons mes têtes ensemble pour Haïti, oh non, toutes ancêtres yo. Nous gain drapeau tant pour toute paix. C'est pour nous remettre mourir pour lui. C'est pas cadeau blanc de fait nous. C'est sans ancêtre nous yo qui t'est coulé. Pour nous qu'un drapeau nous. C'est pour nous travailler mes têtes ensemble. Pour l'autre pays qu'à respecter. Drapeau si là, on est tout haïtien.
Everybody in the room tonight. Actually, on the count of three, I need everybody to look to their left and look to their right and just say thank you for coming. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good evening, everyone. I am really excited to welcome you to our third annual Haitian American Young Professional Awards Gala. Thank you for taking the time to join us this evening. Let's give yourself a round of applause, please. Tonight, we are celebrating excellence, leadership, entrepreneurship, citizenship, and yet many people may wonder why we even having this event tonight, given the current political unrest in our beloved country. As you know, Haiti has always been portrayed in the media as the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. Haiti has always been depicted in a negative light. While we understand that there are many issues that need to be addressed, problems that need to be solved. But we need to make it clear that that is not our only story. Look at in the room tonight, right? A beautiful room. Our finalists range from CEOs, entrepreneurs, pilot, right? Leaders, you name it. Tonight, it's an opportunity for us to reclaim our identity. It is an opportunity for us to remind ourselves of our beautiful story. We are the first free black republic in the world. Our story has changed the course of history and has planted seed for generations to come. Right? Imagine for 1 second the world without our story. No, seriously, close your eyes and imagine the world without 1804. Would we have President Obama? Would we have Reverend Martin Luther King Jr.? The civil rights movement, human rights, and I will go as far as LGBT rights. Would we have that? I doubt that. So my friends, when you hear about Haiti is the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, please make it clear that Haiti is the cradle of liberty. The first freedom to get it in the world. We have a great show for you tonight. We are also celebrating Michael Benjamin, Mikaben. As you know, Mikaben was scheduled to perform live this evening, but unfortunately, he passed away 2 weeks ago. You know, we all have received that terrible news. We will pay special tribute in his honor later on this program. In the interest of time, I know we started a little late, right? I would like to quickly thank a few people in the room. Our keynote speaker, Dr. Gabriel Abela. Let's give her a round of applause. Yeah? Our special awards recipients, Pastor Kiki and Councillor Roussili Jenn. Councillor Katrina Hofflaman. My wife, of course, huh? And my mom. Last but not least, my team. You know, I have the greatest team ever. You know, like Anthony was saying, the whole team has done a great job putting this event together, spending nights, days, right? Emanuela, Anthony, the whole group, Katsi, Bomagay. Yeah, Bomagay. Without your dedication, I don't think this event would not have been possible. Once again, congratulations to our finalists. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
The mission.
Just join ça. I dit Amy faut passer vidéo avant. I dit. Let's stop the whole thing.
Anthony, tu peux mettre tout fait avec.
Madame Bouchard, thank you so much for thinking of me. Pour bon moi, belle Ewadza, merci à pile. Et moi, je voulais de tout cœur remercier US Haitian Chamber of Commerce pour gros Ewadza que bon moi. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Patrick, for have been working so hard with your family, by the way, since the Val Patrick governor, as you know. Well, I just want to thank a few people. Just allow me a few minutes to thank my wife, who support me so much, despite my 26 work hour. 26, you heard that? 26 hours, okay, of work per day. So she's still with me. She supports me. I want to also thank my sons, my daughter-in-law, right here. I want to thank them. Will you please stand, please? All of my family, please stand, please stand. I want to thank the members of True Alliance Center, my organizations, and advocate for Haitian immigrants.
The Patriotic Award to Councillor Roussili Jenn for your outstanding contribution to the Haitian community in Massachusetts.
My second father. Many of you know my father, Robert Jenn of Telegalaxy, and when I think about this award, and when I think about my commitment and my contributions to the Haitian community, it would not exist without my father. You know, we grew up, didn't have much, but we had our pride and our knowledge in Haitian culture and what we can accomplish. When I was listening to Gary sing our anthem, I like to meditate on that. Right? And when we think about the power of that statement, right? Our flag was not a gift given to us by white people, but it was our ancestors' blood that.
Good evening, everyone. Again, my name is Annie Domelsan, and it is my great honor to share this special night with all of you. Honors and recognizes young professionals for their outstanding leadership and commitment to their communities. Tonight, I am honored to acknowledge the achievements of all the finalists, as this marks the progress and success of our community. To the finalists, let me start off by saying congratulations for a job well done. Tara Ernest, Ashley Lubin, Dr. Shayna Jean-Marie, Widlin Pirame, Joanne Alexis Fanor, Shayna Gilbert, Carrie Jean-Jacques, Malika Lucien, Maritza T. Adonis, and Eric Matelier. Thank you.